Morning students, today we will do exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. Statement is given, we have to form equation, then we have to solve. Solve means you have to find out the value of the variable. Okay, first A. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. So we are assuming the number as x. Let the number be x. We have to form the equation. What is given? Add 4 to 8 times a number. 8 times a number means 8x. With that what we have to add? 4. Then what you will get? 60. So we form the equation. 8x is the number. With that we are adding 4. So 8x plus 4 which is equivalent as 60. We form the equation. Now we have to solve. Solution. We are writing 8x. Our equation is 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. 8x plus 4 is equal to 60 is our equation. So we can write 8x as 60 minus 4. What I have done here? Variable part one side 8x. Okay. Now numbers constants in other side. 60 is already in RHS. 4 is taken from LHS to RHS. So minus 4. That means 8x is what? 56. Now 8 is multiplied by x. Okay. We need the variable alone. That means x alone. Here 8 is multiplied. We are shifting 8 from LHS to RHS. So in RHS when it reaches it will divide. We will be dividing by 56 by 8. Okay. So what is the value of x? 56 by 8. 56 by 8 is what? 7. So value of x is 7. That means the required number is 7. We got the solution of the equation. Now B. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. We are assuming the number as x here only. Here also, we can assume any number, any small letter can be assumed as a variable. We assumed the number as x here. What is given in the statement? 1/5 of a number minus 4. 1/5 of a number means 1 by 5 of x. Our number was x, 1/5 of that means 1 by 5x minus 4 is equal to, gives 3 means equal to 3. Okay. So we got 1 by 5x means x by 5. So we can write x by 5 minus 4 equal to 3. That is our equation. We got the equation. Now we are going to solve it. Question is that solution also required. Now x by 5 minus 4 is 3. Now x by 5 is variable part. Okay. So that I am keeping in LHS. This minus 4 is taken from LHS to RHS. So when it reaches to RHS it will add. That is why plus 4. So x by 5 is what? 3 plus 4, 7. Now here also x is in LHS. You can see x is divided by 5. This 5 I am taking from LHS to RHS. Here it is divided. When we change the side, it will multiply in RHS. So value of x is what? 5 into 7. That means x is 35. Therefore, the required number is what? 35. Now see, if I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. This is the statement. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, we are assuming what I will get 21. Okay, we are assuming the number be x. Okay, what we have to do, how to form the equation? 3/4 of the number means 3 by 4x. Then what we have to add? 3 plus 3. Then what you will get? 21. So we got the equation 3 by 4x our number. With that we are adding 3. So plus 3 which is equivalent as 21. Now equation and solution we are doing here only. Okay. So 3 by 4x we can write as 21 minus 3. This plus 3 was in LHS, that is brought from LHS to RHS. So it is minus 3. So 3 by 4x is what? 18. Because you know 21 minus 3 is 18. Now here you can see here denominator 4 is there. That means 3x is divided by 4. We are changing the side of this 4. LHS from LHS it is taken to RHS. So in RHS it will multiply. So what is remaining in LHS? 3x. 4 is taken from LHS to RHS. So we multiplied. 4 into 18 is what? 72. So 3x is 72. Now you can say 3 is multiplied by x. We need x alone. So this 3 is taken from LHS to RHS. So here it will divide. In RHS it is dividing. So value of x is what? 72 by 3 which is 24. So the required number is 24. Now D. When I subtracted 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. This is a statement. What is given? When I subtracted 11 from which number? Twice a number. That means 2 times a number. The result was 15. We are assuming y be the number. We can assume any small letter as the number. Here I assume y be the number. Now equation and solution. Equation we are forming first. What is given? From twice a number. That means number is y, twice a number means 2 into y, 2y. From that what we are subtracting? 11. So 2y minus 11. then what you will get? The result is 15. Easily we form the equation 2y minus 11 is equal to 15. Now we are going to solve it. 2y I am keeping in LHS. This minus 11 is taken from LHS to RHS, so RHS it will add. So 2y is what? 15 plus 11. Now 2y is what? 15 plus 11 is 26. Here 2 is multiplied by y. Now we need y alone. Here it is multiplied. Side of 2 I am changing. So RHS when it goes, it will divide. So value y is what? 26 by 2, 13. We got the value of y. That means we have solved it. Therefore, the required number is what? 13. E. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. That is our question. What is given? Munna is subtracting thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50 and the result is 8. Okay. We are assuming B be the number of notebooks Munna has. So equation and solution now we have to do. Okay. We have to form an equation, then we have to solve it. Thrice the number of notebooks means what? 3 times B. Because B is the number of notebooks. So 3 times B means 3B. And we have to subtract that from 50. So the equation is what? 50 minus 3B, which is equivalent as 8. We form the equation according to the statement given. Okay. So 50 minus 8 we can write as 3B. This plus 8 was in RHS, that is brought from RHS to LHS, so minus 8. Now minus 3B taken from LHS to RHS, so plus 3B. 50 minus 8 is 42. So 42 is what? 3B. Now you can write 42 by 3 as B. The reason is that 3 is multiplied by B. That 3 is taken from RHS to LHS, so it is dividing. So 42 by 3 is what? B. What is 42 by 3? 14. So value B is 14 only. That means what is B? The number of notebooks Munna has. That is 14. Now F. Ivanha thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8. What is that? Ivanha is thinking of a number and she is adding 19 to it. Then that whole sum she is dividing by 5. Then it is equivalent as 8. So we are assuming let A be the number Ivanha thinks of. We can take any small letter for representing variable. Okay. So A we assumed as the number she thought of. Now what is given? Equation we are forming. A plus we are after thinking she is adding 19. That means A plus 19. Then the whole sum is divided by 5. So A plus 19 by 5, which is equivalent as what? 8. Equal to 8. So we form the equation. Now this 5 here we can see A plus 19 is divided by 5. That 5 I am sending from LHS to RHS. Here it is division. When it goes to RHS it will multiply. So A plus 19 is 40. Now this 19 I am sending from LHS to RHS. We need a variable alone. So A is what? 40 minus 19. Plus 19 goes from LHS to RHS. So when it reaches to RHS, it is minus 19. Now A is what? 40 minus 19 is what? 21. So 21 is the number Ivanha thinks of. Now G, Anwar thinks of a number. If it takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. Anwar is thinking of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, that means 5 by 2 of the number minus 7. Then what will get? 23. We assume let B be the number Anwar thinks of. So we are forming the equation 5 by 2 of the number means 5 by 2 B because number is B. 5 by 2 of it means 5 by 2 of B. From that what we have to take out? 7. So minus 7. Then it is equivalent as 23. Easily form the equation. Read the statement and form the equation. So 5 by 2 B is what? 23 plus 7. Minus 7 is taken from LHS to RHS. So 5 by 2 B is what? 23 plus 7 is 30. Now you can see we have divided 5B by 2. So here 2 we are shifting from LHS to RHS. Here division. So when it goes to RHS it will multiply. So 5B is what? 30 into 2, 60. So here 5 is multiplied by B. We are shifting 5 from LHS to RHS. When it goes to RHS it will divide. So B's value is 60 by 5. 60 by 5 is what? 12. So B is 12. That means the number Anwar thinks of E is 12.